February 28th, YouTube. So Ortiz here. It is Tuesday, 2017, last day of February in 2017. This year is zipping by. We got some groovy pink lightning. The tornado sirens just went off. Well, you don't get tornadoes when it's raining, but you know, we have different weather nowadays. I can't wait for spring, that's for sure. But, not normal weather at all for February. Well, this is the last day of meteorological winter. I don't know if you can make out all the buds on all the trees in my neighborhood. Those aren't leaves from last year, those are this year's buds. Incredible. I was hoping there we go. You see the groovy pink lightning. Well, that was kind of bluish. We were having like pink flashes. I'm like, what's pink? I gotta go out there. So anyway, batten down the hatches. Got a nice little thunderstorm in February. Water these trees so these leaves can continue unfurling. All the trees around us are budding. Insane. Alright, Sue Ortiz, have a good one.